channel where I share my knowledge on programming the DJI Tello drones with Python. Today we're going to improve upon our face detection by implementing the Google MediaPipe face mesh model. Now, in a previous video I go into details on this module, so in this video I'm just going to show you it, and then you can go to GitHub and download it and just change these few lines of code, or you can go see my other video to understand the inner workings of the module and implement it yourself line by line. So if you go to my GitHub, you can go ahead and download this whole software, and then you can follow what I'm doing. But just for reference, the mesh face detector is a part of our face detection package, which is included in this project structure. Now, we're not going to look at this in detail, but this module contains a class that has some class constants and an initialization method, which essentially initializes all of the arguments in the way that we want them, so that we can have a face mesh model that is a part of this class. Aside from this, we have two methods in this class. One for getting our face landmarks, and then another for actually drawing bounded boxes on those face landmarks in the other method. Now again, please watch the previous video. I go into a lot more details. For now, we're going to go into our detect faces Tello module, and we're going to specify our imports. So we're going to import from the face detection package, from the mesh face detector module, we're going to import the face mesh detector. Now, this is designed in such a way that we don't have to change our run televideo function, because our face mesh detector's detect faces method only requires a frame as input and doesn't return anything, but simply processes the frame for detections and draws upon it. So with that specified as our import, we have to go to our main, and we'll go under our hard detector, and we'll type a variable, and we'll call it mesh detector. We're going to set this equal to our face mesh detector. So now that we have an instance of this, one last thing. We just have to change the detector in our run televideo method call to our mesh detector. And that is it. Now we're going to test this over our Tello's video stream. All right, we've connected to the Tello. Now we're just going to go ahead and run our detect faces Tello module. Let's go ahead and clear some stuff out of the way. Pull up our output console. It's going to take a minute to load our face mesh model because it is such a large detector. This is one of the benefits of the HAR. It's quick and efficient, but you sacrifice more accurate detections given that. Now we've connected the drone and we're making detections. So as you notice with this model, we process detections far better for the side of the face. We do lose it when we go full profile, but we capture them really good. Now let's try two. See, picks it up right away. Really, that's a lot better than our HAR cascade. I do feel there is still going to be some dependence on lighting. Of course, this is a grayscale image, but as you can see, we do have good lighting. We are making really good detections. I wonder if it'd catch that little piece. Probably not, because it's a whole face, but. And there you have it. We've improved our face detection model by implementing the Google MediaPipe face mesh model. Now, the HAR detector is great if you need a simple, fast, and efficient approach, but if you want to implement machine learning, this is the way to go. There's a lot more we can do with these face landmarks. We can actually process the frame and put the whole face mesh on there. We can have the drone try and recognize emotions. We'd have to do a custom data set, but that's something we'll get into later, of course, if you'd like to see that. Now, of course, I appreciate your support, and thanks a lot for watching. If you could like, share, comment, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. It helps me out. Until next time, have a great day.